अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम आसान सा वाइट चिकन सैंडविच बना लेते हैं। चलो शुरू करते हैं। एक बोल में 250 ग्राम्स ऑफ बॉइल्ड एंड श्रेडेड चिकन ले लीजिए। ऐड 8 to 10 tablespoons of mayonnaise। मैंने पहले कम ऐड किया, then later on I went on adding, so around 8 to 10 tablespoons of mayonnaise I've added. You can add more if you feel the moisture content to be less. इसके साथ में add half a teaspoon of pepper powder and salt to taste. Also add half a teaspoon of chilli flakes. Along with the first batch of mayonnaise, I've added chilli flakes and coriander leaves to the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise mixed it and added, and then later on I added just the mayonnaise. Mix well and keep it aside. Take sandwich bread, apply butter to one side of the bread, spread the chicken mix. On another slice, apply tomato sauce, keep salad leaves over that, and then arrange a few slices of cucumber and a cheese slice. I had forgotten to add cheese slice then. I added later, just before toasting. Apply, cover and arrange all the sandwiches in the same manner. अब चलो चलते हैं सैंडविच मेकर की तरफ. Keep both the slices, switch on the sandwich maker and wait for it to get done. Don't press the sandwich maker tightly closed. Halfway through, brush butter over the slices. Sandwiches are nicely done. Remove to a plate and cut using a pizza cutter to triangles. बहुत आसान सा रेसिपी है, very easy to make, goes well as a snack or an evening tiffin or even for iftar since it's Ramzan now. Do try it out. Ingredients as always in the description box. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.